Good afternoon to you. It's Marty from Marty's Classic Cars. Hope you're all keeping well, enjoying the sunshine. As you can see, I'm doing my best as well. Hope you're all keeping well too. Thank you for tuning in. Just a quickie for today. I'll be getting on some more videos out later. The cleaning your interior. What do you use? Buy some expensive product from a motor factors or on the internet or something. You don't necessarily need to do that. And in this times that we're having with the current high taxation and one thing going on politically and so on, you might want to save a few pennies. What do I use? Multi-service cleaner. This one, Pledge. I don't I'm on a contract with them or anything like that, but it's got a nice smell to it. This is the jasmine flavour. You can put that on with a sponge. And all I do is cut off a sponge, small piece, use the one side for cleaning and the one side for shining, or you can use a duster to shine off. Spray it on over your interior like so. And it brings it up an absolute treat. Really does. You haven't got to worry about too much on the electrics and stuff like that. It sort of interfere with their progress. On the wood veneers, on the glass. And when you come to shine it off, if you just leave it for a few moments or so, it will go to like a cloudy finish, like a car polish will. And then what you do, you can shine it off and use just a normal household duster. But you really will be surprised on how good a quality finish, excuse me, about the place here, you actually get. How nice you can look. So shine it off with a duster afterwards if you wish, or just use the side of the sponge. That's all you need to do, and you'll really be quite surprised on how good. But you can use it on the glass, on your leathers, on your seats if you wanted to, I suppose. Might make them a bit sliding, but anything with vinyls and leather surfaces like that, give it a shine off afterwards, and it will be absolutely beautiful. So you'll thank me for that one. Okay. Yeah. See you again. I'll be doing some more videos shortly. Something to do with that. I've got some maintenance on the car to do, as well as on the Dodge as well, to catch up with. So please like and subscribe. You'd be much obliged. It doesn't cost anything, and it would certainly help me and please me no end if you could. I'd be most grateful if you could do that. Helps the channel come along. So see you soon. Keep enjoying the weather. Keep yourself safe and safe motoring. See you soon. Bye now.